Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to s. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. dv, we have sine 7x plus 2 ds. The integration of this one, we have v equals to negative 1 over 7 cosine of 7x plus 2. If we do this integration in here, so we have u multiplied by v, so we have s multiplied by this one. Minus, we have the u multiplied by v, negative and negative, we have positive. And now we have the integration cosine of 7s plus 2 ds. So the integration of this one, we have 1 over 7 sine of 7s plus 2. And I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.